Did you know that I used to be a rapper? Straight up. Ask the people from Whitesville, ask the folks I grew up with, I used to rap. I still actually write raps on my phone. I just can't get away from it. It comes to my head all the time, quick little freestyles, but I don't do anything with them. However, for 2023, I decided I don't want to waste any gifts. So I'm going to share one in a form of a poem every week. So this is the first one. I wrote this on New Year's Day. It took me about 2 minutes to type it out. And so I'm going to share it with you guys. Is that all right? Great. It's called Inspiration. Inspiration is the breath of God. When I'm inspired, I do my best and leave the rest to God. The air I breathe is always there, difficult to flow when I'm anxious or compare. I begin hyperventilating. I stop communicating to the one who is my source and the one authenticating my body, my purpose, and my life force. I begin using opinions and affirmations as an inhaler, like comments and shares. Not enough, I must be a failure. Once free and thriving, connected to Yahweh, now I'm barely surviving, doing things Yahweh way. Motivation doesn't last, nor does trouble. That's why I create habits when I'm inspired that will kick in autopilot when I don't have the will to drive. So even when I'm tired, I step up because of the way I'm wired. Don't waste your inspiration. It's a gift that gives life. People and plants depend on your expiration. You know what you breathe out? That's your lifestyle actions and what comes out of your mouth. If you find yourself in a depressing situation, take a deep breath and allow yourself to be filled with inspiration. Bars!